Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're seeing that dreaded Steam IP64 DLL not found error, don't worry, I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix this issue and get you back into your game. Let's jump right in. Alright, first things first, what is this Steam_API64.dll file, and why is it important? Well, this is a core Steam file that's necessary for certain games to connect to Steam services. When this file goes missing or gets corrupted, games either won't launch or will crash. But no worries, we're going to fix it. Now, this next step is an option, but should only be used as a last resort. You can download the missing DLL file from a trusted source, but be careful, downloading DLLs from shady websites can expose your system to malware. But you can follow all of my steps and you are good to go. Here how you can do this. Another common cause for the missing DLL is that your antivirus might have flagged it as a false positive and removed it. You'll want to check your antivirus quarantine or add an exception for your game files. Here how you can do this. Another potential fix is updating your Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Sometimes these packages are outdated or missing, which can cause DLL errors. Here's how to update it. Next step is to verify your game files on Steam. Often, this issue comes up because a file went missing or was corrupted during an update or install. Here's how to update it. Steam will now check if any files are missing or broken and will download replacements automatically. If verifying the files didn't work, the next thing you can try is reinstalling Steam. Sometimes the Steam installation itself may be the problem. If none of the previous methods worked, your last resort might be to completely uninstall and reinstall the game. This can resolve any deeply embedded file issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should have the Steam_API64.dll not found error fixed in no time. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech fixes and gaming tips. If you're still having trouble, drop a comment below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.